Good morning, hello, and it is celebration time. I am Dr. Arun Panda. I am a facial plastic and hair restoration surgeon from Mumbai, and today is really a good day for me. Me and my wife, Dr. Aarti, we have been trying to train a lot of our doctors in the field of medical aesthetics, cosmetology, hair restoration, facial plastic surgery under the brand name of Trinity Aesthetics Academy. And it's been almost like 5 years we have been trying to educate all the doctors from all specialities in this fields. And today is actually a very proud moment that Trinity is going to be affiliated with Pioneer Institute from Mauritius, and I have Dr. Prakash Luchun, who is the director of Institute of Medical Aesthetics Cosmetology from Mauritius. And today we are going to sign up an affiliation with his institute in Mauritius. So the main point of our affiliation is going to be that we are going to get into a student exchange program wherein like we can send some students to Mauritius, and we can also have doctors from Mauritius who could visit us, and it could be a mutual benefit for both. And we could have doctors from Mauritius to come and see how we work here in India, and Indian doctors can also visit Mauritius, yes, and see how
they can practice also in our clinic.
Yes, they can practice in your clinic also.
We have a CML clinic. Anyone can go on the website and search cml.com. You will find practice. We also have a big space and a good place, and we need a surgeon like you, and aesthetic medicine to be improved in Mauritius, because Mauritius is a tourism hub,
Right.
and we have a lot of patients come from whole world.
Right.
And we say to get it proper channel and proper guidance for the aesthetic medicine and surgery, we don't have it as such.
Great.
Like you can visit Dr. Panda on YouTube. You can see how the surgery goes, but it is so. I say it is very intensive to see.
Thank you.
But in Mauritius, I as a director, I wish my clinic to be joined the Trinity Academy,
Right.
and we can improve the service as aesthetic medicine is doing the world.
Right.
Everyone is searching to become young. Yeah,
True.
the COVID come and become old in the house. So for this purpose, I'm going to make affiliation with Trinity Academy and with Sir Panda and Dr. Arun to make a hub in Mauritius in practice and also in courses.
So Dr. Prakash also runs a huge medical center in Mauritius, wherein there are all medical specialties involved, and so the training part in Mauritius would be in his center. So he has got a lot of patients there. So that could be a mutual benefit, as he said. And as he rightly mentioned, Mauritius is a tourism hub.
Yeah.
And
a lot of tourists like from France, from whole world, but France is our main. And this is the best to know. The Mauritius government also want to improve the tourism medical in our country.
oh,
Yeah. So we need the help. As India gave us so many help, like for surgery. Even the patient come from Mauritius to Chennai, Central Netherlands, Apollo, and
true,
everywhere.
true.
So this is a great moment that I make you so.
So it's really fortunate for us that you are here with us, and you are giving us an opportunity and our doctors to visit your country, visit your
I
place.
wish a student of India also come to Mauritius, just
Right.
change the place and see the beautiful country. This is a paradise in the world,
True.
Mauritius.
True. It is
So,
definitely a paradise
yeah.
here.
So we make a workshop with the doctors of India and Mauritius,
Right.
that we can improve the education in the right way, so people can see how to what are the rules of the aesthetic medicine
Right.
and everything.
And yeah, of course, like an exposure to a different country
Sure.
is definitely going to be beneficial for the
Right.
doctors. Yeah, the doctors of all specialities, it is going to be beneficial. So let us
So
start with the director of Trinity Aesthetics Academy, Dr. Aarti. You have to say something before you sign up this agreement.
Absolutely, it's a pleasure and an honor to be associated with such a renowned clinician of Mauritius. But more than that, I'm so very happy that it is opening up avenues for our clinicians in India. So from 1st April onwards, all our Trinity Academy workshops will be affiliated both from India as well as Mauritius. Plus, of course, you've heard the discussion that our clinicians will have a lot of opportunities to go and work into Mauritius, learn their ways, teach them the ways, and of course there will be also a student exchange or a surgeon exchange program happening, which will be clinicians coming from Mauritius to us. And I think it has been always Dr. Panda's dream to share knowledge and grow.
Yeah.
And so I think
I have to set arrangement.
yes.
Because as from this institute, I started practicing the cosmetology the right way. But I learned for HD also. That is a bit difficult. We'll try.
But anyway, it's really a proud moment for all of us in India here, so that we can, kind of improve on our training part. We can have affiliation from both the countries, and it is definitely going to be beneficial for all of us around here, for the doctors from India to visit Mauritius and then share our knowledge and go ahead with
All
it.
the doctors from the Trinity are most welcome in Mauritius.
Thank you
When
so
they're
much.
coming for stay and for practice or anything, we are here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Prakash. And
So
thank you so much for
from
that.
Trinity, we promise all the clinicians a dual affiliation from India and Mauritius,
Yeah.
and lots of hands-on workshops, so that when you learn from here, you are ready to start your practice.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. So can we go ahead with our...
Sure.
So this is what we are doing. We are signing up an agreement for the student exchange programs and different research and educational these things, and of course exchange of informations in regards to teaching and learning materials and literature. And of course we are going to organize some short-term continuing medical education programs and organize jointly some seminars, conferences and
And
workshops.
all of these are registered with the government of Mauritius.
Yeah, so his is we have got registered with the government of Mauritius.
We
And
have the clinic which name is Centre Medical Labouratory. I know it's a French name, because what is laboratory? He was main person who's come from France and he stays there. We have one museum for him also.
Okay.
And my clinic is near to the sea, and this village we call Mayberg. So it's Labourdonnais.
Okay.
And anyone can go on the cmlclinic.com.
So
They
I
can
think
find it.
French would be a little difficult, but CML is the clinic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So
yeah,
CML clinic is okay.
yeah. So yeah, we go ahead with your signature. I think Dr. Prakash, it's your signature. And Dr. Aarti. Okay, and then we can exchange these placards. Alright. Okay. Thank you so much.
It's from our court.
So yeah,
yeah. So
thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
3 cheers to the new beginning.
3 cheers to the new beginning and 3 cheers to a new start of Trinity Aesthetics Academy and CML and Institute of Medical Cosmetology and Aesthetics in Mauritius. Thank you so much. And looking forward to all the directors, all the doctors in India to come over, join us for our dual affiliated workshops and programs, and we can work out on how we can visit Mauritius.
Even I invite all the Mauritius doctors and the aesthetic person who want to learn, just contact me for Mauritius workshop.
Yes.
I will get to arrange it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
And
much.
find treatment.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay.